5 people you should cut out of your life. 99% of people don't cut number 5 until it's too late. Number 1, the user. They will only love you as much as they can use you. As soon as you no longer give them what they want from you, they disappear. 2, the complainer. They will steal your peace by complaining about the same things they aren't willing to change. 3, the blamer. They make you feel guilty and never take responsibility. Their manipulation goes so far that even you believe you are to blame. 4, the competitor. They might want to see you do well, but they surely don't want to see you do better than them. And lastly, number 5, the abuser. They abuse your forgiveness, your trust, and your loyalty. They abuse everything you give them, and you will only realize it when they are no longer in your life. Drop a 100 if this resonates with you, and hit that follow button, cause this account is for you.